Hi everybody. In today's lesson we are gonna work with the tool coil and we are gonna do this one. Easy peasy. We are gonna work with this structure, with this object. Okay, come on, let's do it. Choose file, click on file, click on new, metric standard, and let's create another project. Click on start sketch on top, click on view, home, and now let's click. We can work in the same sketch. I'm gonna work in which one? Let me choose another one. We can work here, or we can work. Let's check this plane. Click here. Okay, this was created in YZ. YZ. Okay, come on. Let's do it the same. And maybe we are gonna find something interesting. The diameter is 6. Perfect. Now let's finish the stage. The first step is done. Now let's go for the second step. Now we are gonna extrude. Yeah, in this way. Are you sure? I don't think so. It's right. Can. Oh, come on. It doesn't matter. We are gonna work another kind of thing. Okay, click on OK, but that was not right. Click on OK, not yet. It's 60, 80, it's 80, 80. Click on OK, and we are gonna do in this fashion or go up or down. No, it's the same. Let's use the default option. Okay, perfect. Now we are gonna click here. We have all the objects. And now we are gonna, the next step is to create a plane. Okay, we are gonna work with that. Click on plane, click on the face, drag and drop. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And we are gonna write down -20. Click. Perfect. As I said before, drag and drop. Okay, don't release. Drag, push down, drag, drag, and drop. Okay, perfect. Now we are gonna create here the surface. Okay, so now let's get close to the new plane. Click, left click, and choose this option, create a sketch. Perfect. But we don't want to create a sketch in that side. We are gonna choose this side, the bottom part. Okay, now click F7 and that is going to disappear. And now let's create 2 circles of 2. Perfect. 2 circles. Choose, let's apply constraints equal. This circle is equal to this one. Perfect. Now we are going to apply parallel. Okay, parallel constraint, not yet. Okay, we have 2 circles. The next step that we have to do is project geometry. Okay, let's project geometry. At the beginning, you are going to notice this. It's green. When we are out, it's no color. There's no color. There's no any color. Now click on project geometry, get close, click on it, and you can see that now that we are out, it's green. It's green, it's yellow. Okay, now we are gonna apply this constraint with the white. Yes. Click here with this. Oh no, made a mistake. We have to click here. Let's read horizontal constraint to lie parallel to the x-axis. Yes, to the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So it is going to be down. This is the same. Perfect. Excellent. To constraint. Now, which will be our next constraint? Let's dimension. The distance between these and this is, how much is that? 2 centimeters. 2.5. Perfect. 2.5 millimeters. And it is the same, the distance between green, this is 2.5. Perfect. In that fashion. Now we are gonna draw 2 points. This one and this one. Perfect. And we are gonna put those drops on the circle. We're gonna apply the coincident constraint. This over this. And this over this. Perfect. Now let's dimension. Let's dimension. Green with this. The distance is 2. Oops, excuse me. Made a mistake. The distance is 0.5. Perfect. It's the same here. The distance between this and this click on dimension, and the distance between these two objects is the same. Is 0.5. Perfect. Now we are gonna draw all this area. We are gonna create a line first of all. Could you see? And when you get close, you can see this symbol. This symbol is tangent. Perfect. Could you see? Tangent. Or you can draw in this fashion. Here, for example. Okay. And then we are going to apply tangent. We are going to say that this is tangent to this. Perfect is another way. Now we are going to draw 2 arcs. I recommend you get close. And you can go in this fashion. Do you see? It says that it's there. Now let's get close. The other point is going to be here and here. So we can say that, and let's draw the same to the other side. Click here. When it's green, click in the other point in the intersection. Could you see? Could you see the symbol? Perfect. Click on it. Now let's get far. Let's get far. And sometimes it's a little tricky. And click whatever you want. It's a little tricky because my mouse is not matched for this. It's not perfect match for this. Now let's apply this constraint, which is concentric constraint. And this arc is going to be concentric with this circle. Perfect. It will be the same to this one. Okay, perfect. So it means that we almost finished. Can I apply another one? Okay, now let's finish the sketch. What else I'm gonna apply? Can I apply something? Let's check, okay? Let's finish this case. And now we are going to apply coil. Coil. Okay, yes, I'm moving. Trying to a little, no? Well, we are going to apply. Okay, let's get close to see the details. Okay, let's get close. Click on coil. Double click, select profiles, and the inputs will be this one. No? Let's get close. This one and this one, and the other side this one and this one. Perfect. Now the other input is the axis. So we are gonna choose the axis. The axis will be Y, could you see? But in any case, let's go to the region and choose axis Y. Yeah, it's Y. Click on it, and you can see that we can change the directions. We can change the direction, okay? Reverse the speech direction along the axis. You can see that matter. So we are gonna choose pitch and height. Here we have other options where we are gonna choose pitch and height. The height of this part is 60 and the speech is 25. The rotation will be R, right, not left, and choose close end. And we are gonna cut, not join. Click on OK and let's check what happened. Perfect. So let's get far. Let's get far. So it's well done. We can do this in many fashions. And it's done. Thank you very much for sharing with me this video.